Okay, we're going to talk about page 5 and 6. The reading is page 116. We're going to write the three important laws of logarithms. Two of them we've seen in the investigation. First one is that the log of something multiplied together is equal to the log of one plus the log of the other. And this is related to when you have the same base, you add the exponents. So like if you have 10 squared times 10 to the third, and if you want to write that as one exponent of 10, you could write 10 to the fifth. You add the exponents when they're multiplied together. Okay? And then you have a similar rule when you have a number divided by another number. Then you would have the log of the top number minus the log of the bottom number. And that is related to if you have 10 squared divided by 10 to the third, that is equal to 10 to the 2 minus 3. Okay? The last one we haven't seen yet, and we're going to start with something that is what you've seen before except without logs. And that is when you have 10 to an exponent times another exponent, and forget that this is a log, it's just a number, then you can express that. First of all, you can switch the order, right? And then you can also express that as 10 to the log a to the exponent n, right? Because remember, when you have an exponent to an exponent, you can multiply those together, so the opposite is also true, right? So we have an exponent to an exponent, and all we did was we reversed, we made it into a multiplication here. But when you look at this, you say 10 to the log a, that's the same thing as a. So you're basically left with a to the n. So basically what you're saying is a to the n is the same as 10 to the n times log of a. Now what if we take the log of both of these? If we take the log of this, we get the log of a to the n, which doesn't really tell us anything. And if we take the log of this, then we're going to undo to the 10 to the exponent. So we're going to have, if we take the log of that, we're going to end up with n times log a. And then these are equal to each other. Okay? So n times log a is equal to log of a to the n. And this is the third rule. Okay? Now we're going to work some problems. Write as a single logarithm or as an integer. And we're doing ACE. Okay? So log of 8 plus log of 2, that's the same thing as log of 8 times 2, okay, which would be 16. Log of 40 minus log of 5, that's the same thing as log of 40 divided by 5, which would be log of 8. Log base 4 of 8 minus log base 4 of 2, well, that would be log base 4 of 8 divided by 2, which would just be log base 4 of 4, which would be equal to 1. Log of 2 plus log of 3 plus log of 4, that's the same thing as log of all these added together. So that would be 2 times 3 times, or I'm sorry, multiplied together. 2 times 3 times 4 would be 24. Log of 4 minus 1. So log of 4 minus 1, you would put log of 4, and then write negative 1, or 1, as the log of something, or an exponent. So we could say that that would be equal to the log of 10, right? So the log of 4 minus log of 10 would be the log of 4 divided by 10. Okay, 2 plus the log of 2. So that would be 100 log of 100 plus the log of 2, which would be equal to the log of 200. Log base m of 40 minus 2. So that would be log base m of 40 minus log base m of m squared. So that would be log of 40 divided by m squared. Log of 50 minus 4 is log of 50 minus log of 10000, which is equal to log of 50 divided by 10000. Log base 5 of 100 minus log base 5 of 4 is equal to log base 5 of 100 divided by 4, which is log base 5 of 25, which is, remember 25 is 5 squared, so log base 5 of 5 squared is 2. Remember that 5 log of 2 is equal to log 2 to the 5th plus log 3. And so now you can multiply those together. 2 to the 5th times 3 to the 5th is 32 times 3 is 96. So that's the log of 96. 3 log 4, that's the same thing as log of 4 to the 3rd minus log of 8, which is equal to log of 4 to the 3rd, which is 64 divided by 8, which is equal to the log of 8. Log base 6 of 4 is the same thing as log base 6 of 4 to the half plus log base 6 of 3. 4 to the half is the square root of 4, so log base 6 of 2 plus log base 6 of 3 is equal to log base 6 of 2 times 3, which is 6. Log base 6 of 6 is 1. Okay, 3 minus log base 2, or log of 2 minus 2 log 5th. So this would be 5 squared, log of 5 squared. This would be log of 2. And this would be log of 1,000. And now to combine these, it's basically the log of 1,000 divided by 2, right? Divided by 5 squared. And so that would be the same as log of 1,000 divided by 25 times 2, which would be 50, which is equal to log of, simplify that to log of 20. Normally I would say that 2 is a log of 100, but in this case we're looking at the rest of it has log base n, so I'm going to write it in terms of log base n. So 2 would be the log of log base n of n squared, and then the rest of these I will continue to write log base n of 4 to the 1/2 minus log base n of 5. 4 to the 1/2, remember, is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So log base n of 2 for that one. And then we're going to combine all these. So we're going to have log base n of n squared divided by 2 divided by 5. So log base n of n squared over 10. Okay, I'm going to do ACE here. Simplify without using a calculator. So log base 4 divided by log base 2 is equal to log of 2 squared over log of 2. Log of 2 squared would be 2 log 2 divided by log 2 is equal to 2. Log of 8 divided by log of 2. So that would be log of 8 is the same as log of 2 cubed over the log of 2. That's the same thing as 3 log 2 divided by log 2. And that leaves 3. Log base 3 of 25 is equal to log base 3 of 5 squared divided by log base 3 of 1/5, or maybe we could also write that as 5 to the negative 1. So that's equal to log base 3 of, or 2 log base 3 of 5, negative divided by negative 1 log base 3 of 5, and so that would cancel out and you get negative 2. Next one, we're doing ACE of this. Log of 9 is equal to, log of 9 is the same as log of 3 squared. Oh, and then we've just shown it with the rule that we have above. Log of 5 is equal to log of 10 minus log of 2. Log of 10 minus log of 2 is equal to the log of 10 divided by 2, which is the same thing as log of 5. Now this one. Log of 1/8 is the same as log of 2 to the negative 3rd, which is, the rule tells us. We've just shown that too. Okay, we're doing AC of this one. If P log of B of 2, log base B of 2, and Q is log base B of 3, and R is log base B of 5, write in terms of P, Q, and R. Log base B of 6. Okay, so 6 looks like it would be like 2 times 3, so we're probably going to use that somehow. So log of 6 is equal to log of 2 plus log of 3, right? Okay, so that's equal to P plus Q. What about this one? Log base B of 5 divided by 32. So that would be log base B of 5 minus log base 2 to the 5th. So that would be log base B of 5R minus 5 times P. And then what about this one? Log base B of 108. 108 is, we try to find the common factors of. So the factors of 108 are 3 cubed and 2 squared. So if we take the log of 108, that's the same as the log of these. So that would be the log of 3 cubed plus the log of 2 squared, which is equal to 3 times log of 3 plus 2 times log of 2. 3 times log of 3 is 3 cubed. 2 times log of 2 is 2p. And this one, log of p is x, log of q is y, and log of r is z, right in terms of z, y, and z. Log base 2 of pr would be log base 2 of p plus log base 2 of r, which would be x plus z. This one here, log base 2 of q cubed times square root of r. So that would be log of q cubed minus log of square root of r, and that's equal to 3 log q minus 1/2 log r, and 3 log q is y, and 1/2 log r is z. Okay. Log base 2 of p times r divided by q. So that would be log of p plus log of r minus log of q. So that would be x plus z minus y. And all of these. If log base t of m is 1.29, log base t of n squared is 1.72, find log base t of n. So log base t of n squared is 1.72. So 2 log base t of n is equal to half of 1.72, which is about 0.86. And so log base t of n is equal to 0.86 divided by 2. You could do that in your calculator. Log base t of m times n is equal to log base t of m plus log base t of n. Log base t of m is 1.29. Log base t of n, we just found here, is 0.86 divided by 2. Log base t of n squared divided by square root of m. So that's equal to log of n squared minus log of m to the 1/2. Then we bring down the exponents. Minus 1/2 log of m. So that would be 2 log n, which would be 2 times 0.86 times 2 minus 1/2 times the log of m, which is 1.29. So you can just put that in your calculator. And that's it.